they're taking the right approach on this, and all of a sudden, all the protesters, about 3 cars, and the protesters got in the car and they left. Because they're scared of this awesome party, guys! Let's do it! Yeah!
Holler.
Approach on this. Let's do it, let me take this.
I can jerk.
I'm doing it.
I can jerk.
I can do the hitch dance.
I can jerk, that's about it.
I can somewhat hold.
Let's dance, guys!
You're gonna jerk.
Let's show these people how God is love! Young man. Oh, yeah! We're protesting in happiness! The morning coffee dancing! We love gay people!
Woo! I love my gay best friend!
Hello? Everybody, let's do jumping jacks!
All right, that's pretty
Really?